This is the Kopher Cure Pear Cream Skin Barrier Conversion Solution. It says it helps rough and dark skin to be brightened. Well, I don't have too much rough and dark skin, but we have the whole... Did you see my speechlessness? Because I already know it's going to be thick or creamy. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be glowing. I already know it because this Kopher is the best. I got their barrier spray, their SOS serum, and now this. Oh my Lord. Help me. My skin is going to glow, which is so great. We want to glow. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh, it's so soft and smooth. It is wonderful. I don't have anything else to say. This was my first time using it, and yes, I will keep using it because holy camole. It is from Korea. Everything is in Korean, but I can tell you that there's peptides in here, a bunch of peptides, shea butter, camellia, chamomile, centella asiatica, honeysuckle, rosemary, chestnuts, more peptides, I think a copper peptides, anise fruit, lavender. That's what I smell, lavender. Wow. Here's the ingredients if you want to click on it, but I am shooketh. Look at that. It might have made my skin a bit red right here and a little, is it puffy? No, it's just a little bit red. But it is helping with my rough and bumpy skin, I hope. I will keep you posted, and I'll let you know. I'll link down below.